What's up, Dogecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Dogecoin. What's the current price of Dogecoin? What's the price is okay? The Dogecoin, can Dogecoin really make you a millionaire? Can Dogecoin really make you rich or not, my friends? In this video, we discuss the future of Dogecoin. Can Dogecoin give us profit in the future or not? Can Dogecoin make us poor or not? In this video, I will share my all updates with all of you, my friends. So before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. First of all, if we look the current price of the Dogecoin, so wow, my friends, 0.25 USD dollar. And you know what, in the previous month the people target for Dogecoin is 0.1 USD dollar. That's the people target. But now the current price, you know what, in this month, in June month, the price of Dogecoin is very badly affected, very badly falls down. That's why the people are so disappointed by Dogecoin. But my friends, you know what, that's not possible for every coin to continuously pump. No, that's not possible for a coin. In cryptocurrencies market, it's sometimes the price pump, it's sometimes the price dump, sometimes the price increase, sometimes the price decrease. But that's not mean that you are disappointed if the price falls down. No, you have a patience. Remember, I told in my many videos that patience is the most important part of cryptocurrencies market. If you have a patience, so you will get profit. But if you have no patience, so nothing you will get. Believe me, my friends, nothing you will get in the future. You have to hold, you have to wait for it, my friends. That's the rules of cryptocurrencies marketing, my friends. Now this time the 24 hours trading volume is very highly. You know what, there's a famous cryptocurrencies in the market: Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain. These are the famous and trending cryptocurrencies in the market. You know what, these the demand of Dogecoin is very highly. You can see your available supply after 24 hours. I can't count these numbers. And total supply, you can see here market cap, everything is very fastly moving up in a Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is the fastest moving cryptocurrency. So from this all changes, the future of Dogecoin is clear for everybody. The future of Dogecoin is very clear. Let me show you the price change. Wow, my friends, from the last yesterday, you can see from 24 hours the Dogecoin start moving upwards, start positive change, positive. Once again, the Dogecoin start pumping and the price is going to increase. Dogecoin are going to the moon, my friends. So absolutely, it's time to celebration, my friends. Let me show you the price chart, my friends. Let me show you the last 1 month price chart of the Dogecoin. Wow, my friends, you know what, it's not necessary for coin, as I told you in the start of this video, that there is no one coin that the price is only pump. Absolutely, you have to dump. The price jump for some time, after jump falls down, same like that. That's the process of cryptocurrencies market. It's sometimes the price pump, it's sometimes the price dump, but you have to hold, you have to patience. If you have patience, you will get profit. If you have no patience, nothing you will get in the future, nothing you will get yet. You have to hold for a long time. Absolutely, if you are a long-term investor in a Dogecoin, so absolutely, really, that will make you a millionaire. Believe me, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about Dogecoin, and what is your opinion about Dogecoin? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates videos.